Ayun, and just like that mga chong, Friday na naman tayo. It's Friday night. Natapos na yung ating 5-day work week. And medyo busy tayo ngayong week na to dahil yung ating isang colleague 2 days na off and for some reason maraming ganap sa office, maraming issues. Yan ang buhay IT. Minsan, hindi lahat ng issues kaya nating i-resolve. Sometimes most of the time, we have to research, call the vendor, and ask colleagues for um, for advice. So, mayroon tayong inahandle na RDS connection issues. Repeatedly, nagkakaroon ng problem with Windows profile. Merong issues unable to open publish application. So, random issues sa Citrix environment. But, yun. Friday na naman. So, relax muna tayo for the next 2 days. Kasi by Monday, back to work na naman tayo.